how high can Ethereum actually go during this next market cycle? We're going to take a look at the historical data, the events that are happening right now, and we will also take a look at a special tool that I have that will help us really pinpoint where can Ethereum go during this next bull run. And remember, stay all the way to the end of this video so you can hear what my Ethereum price prediction is. What's going on, my free thinking rebel? Stephansubero here. Welcome again to Breakout Solutions, where we help individuals, family members, business owners just like yourself safely enter into crypto, diversify your assets, and create generational wealth for yourself, your family, and your community. Listen, we're going to jump straight into this topic as we have seen a massive rally in Ethereum during the last week in anticipation to the approval, and now it has been approved, Ethereum ETF. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Like and let me know, what do you think the price for Ethereum is going to be at the top of this market cycle? All right, so here we have the Ethereum USD chart. So before we can figure out where the price is going, we need to kind of analyze where it has been before and what the performance was during the last bull market. It's super simple to really figure this out. If you want to learn more about using Fibonacci's, I'm going to drop a link up here that you can check out. And soon we're also going to have a very special Fibonacci training for those of you wanting to get access to that. It's going to be coming very soon. Now, if we go back into the past and we see the previous market cycle, which we had, the top was at the top of the last market cycle was 2021, right? But how do we determine what the price action could have been? Let's revert back. Let's imagine we are in the top of 2018, right? We created that top at $1,500, and then we have dropped into the bear market, creating the market bottom, which was around $79. Oh my God. Imagine if you had bought Ethereum at $79. I wish I had, but I did not. Now, what happened during this to prepare us for the 2021 market cycle? And what if we had known exactly where Ethereum could have made it to? Now, it's very simple. We could have actually, just by using Fibonacci. Now, if we look at the Fibonacci retracement tool and we kind of analyze the market top to the market bottom, we can see precisely a lot of the targets getting hit, right? We have the 0.236, then we have the 0.618. Previous all-time high was also massive price action happening here. Then the next area of confluence was the 1.618, really good area to look at targets and taking profits. And then we can see that we also made it all the way up. We didn't hit the top of the 3.618 completely, but we got pretty close. So this means we almost accomplished a full fib extension. This means that we were able to go from all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. The full move for Ethereum from the market bottom to the top was a 6,000% increase during the last bull market. Now, utilizing this same ideology, and we can kind of set up now the targets that we believe Ethereum is going to reach to. And I won't reveal the target until afterward, but just know we've already set it up, right? I have it set right here, and we can see that Ethereum has already started to move. We've created the market bottom, and we've already had a almost a 3x increase from the market bottom, and we are approaching that all-time high. Now, based on the targets that I have here, we can see that we still have quite some way to go before we reach the top of the current market cycle, before we reach the top of the potential Fibonacci extension. Now, let's jump into another chart. Before we figure out the price prediction for 2024, 2025, we don't know when the top is going to be. Let's look at Ethereum's market cap, because this is a very important indicator as to how far do we need to go and what is the price that we need the market cap to be at to reach that price target for Ethereum. I'm going to analyze previous market cycle. We're going to see how well did the market cap grow based on the Fibonacci. Then we're going to tie those two things in together. We're almost there. Soon you'll get the price prediction. We're just making points right now so we can really analyze, is it possible to get to that price target that I'm looking at? If we look at the Fibonacci right now, We can see that during the last bull cycle, the growth of the market cap was exceptional. We actually made it all the way to the top of the Fibonacci during the last market cycle, which meant a growth from 8 billion all the way up to 600 billion. That is a massive, massive increase. This is based on the Fibonacci. So look at that, 8 billion. What is the market cap that we could potentially see Ethereum at the top of this market if we could have a similar move like the last one, right? Let's pretend that we make it all the way back. This is the potential. Can it go higher? Definitely it can, but we're going to use past performance. We're going to use past history and past data to kind of establish a very sound foundation for where can this price potentially go. So if we look at it right now and we see where does the top of this Fibonacci target bring us to, $2.2 trillion in market cap for Ethereum. What I want you to think about, $2.2 trillion. We're going to confirm this. We're going to jump back into the Ethereum chart. So keep this number in mind, 2.2 trillion. I'm going to mark it down. And we're going to use a tool that I have that could help us figure out, is the correlation between the market cap and the price, does it work? Does it really work? And can we see those prices based on the market cap? Where is Ethereum going? What is my price prediction for Ethereum? Let's look at the top of the Fibonacci. So all-time high is sitting at around 4,800. The golden ratio, which is my third target, is around 7,200. Target number 4 is 11,600. Target number 5 is 15,300. Target number 6, which is the top of the fib, is sitting around 7,500. But my price prediction for Ethereum during the next bull market is actually going to be closer to $20,000. That is the tip that I am looking at. And based on what is happening right now, I really, really do believe that that price is achievable. Really, what is going on and what some of the major analysts comparing Ethereum to?
If Bitcoin is the digital gold, then Ether is what in your mind?
It's a digital oil.
Digital oil. Okay, extrapolate. Give me more on that.
So think of it, Ed, like you have gold, which is as a saving currency, which you use. But think about how oil is running everything. It was always supposed to be a gas, ETH as a gas to run products on top of Ethereum, and then use the currency ETH as the gas price, which is the oil. So it's basically you can create as many cars as possible. You need to have the same fuel, which is Ethereum out there. And somewhere you have to say, the Republican candidate being so pro-crypto have made Democrats to really pay attention to it, that suddenly out of the blue, we have a very hushed, unprepared ETF approval. We're still waiting for the trading to happen. But the market expectations in last 2 days got built in, but it's not really there. We have not crossed 4K. ETH all-time ET high prices were 4.4. I think it has been a very big political push because of the election year.
So there we have Kavita Gupta looking at comparing Ethereum to oil. Ethereum is the oil driving, it's the gas driving the ecosystem. And we know that there is so much built over Ethereum. Without Ethereum, there wouldn't be much when it comes to decentralized finance. Take that in mind. Keep that at the top of your head. And let's look at, can we really reach to that $20,000 Ethereum? I promised you I was going to show you a tool that would help us really pinpoint this and decipher, can we really make it all the way up there? So remember, we said 2.2 trillion was the market cap that we need Ethereum at to really get to those tops and to get to those prices. So let's really compare it now and see. So here it is, my friends. So the tool we're using is called the coin perspective. We can see where we've highlighted Ethereum right now, currently sitting at 3,962. And what I have done is you actually have two options. You can either input the target that you want to see Ethereum at, or you can input the market cap that you want to see it at, and it's going to give you the target, right? So either way, let's decide. We're going to do 2.2 trillion. Right now it's sitting at 2.4 trillion. 2.4 trillion. I had put in 20,000 or 19,798. For some reason, it's not letting me put the 20,000 exact, but 19,798. That's pretty close. And this is the market cap that Ethereum would need to be at for us to get to those prices. 2.4 trillion. The top of the fib is giving us 2.2 trillion. So listen, very close. It's not exact science, but we're looking at this is actually possible. We could potentially see a $2.2 or $2.4 trillion market cap Ethereum, which would bring us extremely close to my Ethereum price prediction of 19,798 to be exact on this, but let's call it that $20,000 Ethereum. My free thinking rebels, if you think that we can hit $20,000, drop a like right now, drop it in the comments. Let me know if you think 20K is a possibility. And are you holding Ethereum? If you're not, my free thinkers, please take a moment right now, use the link down below and figure out how we can help you achieve your financial freedom goals by utilizing the technologies, the strategies, and the automations that we have at Breakout Solutions. Now, that's all I got for you today, my friends. I hope to see you in the next video. Stephan out.